Welcome to all. So now today we showing a live practical demo. Now practical number 9. Now last time up to we are showing a practical like a circuit connection, circuit diagram. Now today the different. Today we showing a practical like optics. Now this topic now we study through on standard 10 like a concave mirror, convex lens, etc. So today we found a focal length of a given concave mirror. So starting with a first aim. So aim is to find the value of V for different value of U in case of concave mirror and to find the focal length. So regarding this practical, we want some apparatus or required materials. So now this practical how the different. No circuit connection, so we have no require to batteries, meters, but optical setup. So first one is a optical bench. It is a very long optical bench, like a minimum of 1 meter, and as per the requirement, it is a long up to 1.5 meter. But today, in the practical of a concave mirror, we want a maximum of 1 meter. Now, two sharp edge needles, because we want a two value like a U is an object and V is an image. Definitely one of the concave mirror, three uprights means 10 because we have a needles, a one concave. So now we put on that uprights with the help of that we moving a pin like a left side, a right side, upper or down. Index needle are one of the one scale, metal scale, and the spirit level because we want level to optical bench. Now this practical have a no circuit diagram, so definitely in the exam time we are not draw a circuit, but whenever in standard 10 you showing in chapter number 2nd or one of the ray diagrams, like suppose in the concave mirror you know starting with the pole, then after focus, and then after center of curvature. So as per standard 10 you solve a one table with the help of object. Whenever we put object some distance and that we found the image like a real and the inverted. So here regarding a six image, we draw any one a diagram is enough as an exam time. So here I showing a one diagram, that time we using now the object we put B on C. So as per your screen you showing here like a first we showing a concave mirror, then after a principal axis, now 3 point like a pole, a focus and the center of curvature. So first we put object B on C. It is a object AB. Now from the A, passing a two rays as per the rules, and then after both the ray meet each other. So that time definitely it is an image like A dash B dash. Now this image, the meet between C and F, now types real and the inverted and the size smaller compared with the object. So this type you draw any one image. So next one, observations. Because every practical before table we starting with the some observations. Now this value definitely you showing in the exam time. Sometime the examiner want you. Now first value, the focal length of the concave mirror. Now here answer I retain, but this answer we showing in videos after this. But first we discuss what is the focal length. So friends, in the concave mirror, compulsory first we have the value of the center of curvature because now the round shape of the concave mirror. So center point to any surface, it is a value capital R. So now half of this circle, center of curvature. So first we found the value of center of curvature, but how can possible? So that time we using a one pin, only one pin, and we set a one pin. Now exact the same image from this pin come on the upper side, and any angle we showing both going in the same side. So it is a distance between the mirror and the pin. The value is the center of curvature. And then after focal length, the equation center of curvature by 2. So that time we found a focal length. So regarding this practical, we found this type of setup. So that time definitely your answer 21 may become. And after we divide by 2, so definitely your answer should become 10.5. Now second, index needle. How can possible? Simple method. Now you have a one mirror surface and one pin surface. So you put a one scale and the directly distance between the mirror surface and the pin surface, it is a value of index needle. And then after third, no require. Directly 0.5 air. So definitely your answer, suppose L0 22, so 22.5. But in your mind, one topic, compulsory index correction, answer should become 0.5. Compulsory is a E and EI 0.5. So friends, very simple. Suppose in the second line, you found the answer 25. So definitely 25.5 you retain directly because we want a last answer 0.5. Okay friends. And then after a table. So here a very simple practical. You showing here a 5 observation. But in the exam time, you showing only first reading. Then after you retain itself, nothing like any examiner come from your side to ask you. He want second, third, four, five. He want only one. Now this practical, we want only 3 position, like a mirror, like an object pane, and then after the image pane. After all the calculation, we directly calculate with the help of this reading. So friends, I said not confirmly that after video you understood, but sometime I try my best because it is a very tough practical or easy practical. But I try my best to give in here to live videos because I put a mobile in my one hand and with the help of second, I set some object image. I try my best. Hope so. I want your review after showing these videos whenever you like or unlike in my personal ID. So friends, now first time because optics practical have not possible without showing a live in lab. But in this critical condition, I try my best to give you a best video. Whenever after starting the school, definitely we showing this practical again. And that time, suppose you have some query in your mind, but sometime students understood here very well. Okay, so now here I start videos you enjoy here and understood. Namaskar to all. Now, today again I am coming with the live practical demo. Today we showing a practical number 9th one. It is a concave mirror. We found the focal length of given concave mirror. So friends, now simple you showing it is a concave mirror and we found the focal length of given mirror. In standard 10, as per theoretical, you know some rules. Whenever we put object beyond C, on C, between C and F, and that time you found the image in such range. So here we again, now in the time of standard pen you showing the theoretical, but today we prove here with the help of object pen. We found the image pin and we note down the some readings in our record books in our tables. So here we using a one optical bench. Now this optical bench is showing the scale starting range, it is a 0. So it is a starting range 0, and then after the increasing up to like a 150 centimeter, but no problem, we want a total 100 centimeter maximum range. Now here we using a one pen, like it is a object or image pen. With the help of this pen we note down the readings. Okay friends, so let's start the practical. So starting before the practical, we want the value of observations. First we want the value of the focal length. Now focal length, so it is a symbol of small f, but how can possible? So it is an equation, so f, so r by 2. So what is the r? So r is a radius of curvature, radius of curvature. So first we want value of capital R, but how can possible? So it is a round, and round one center, and center to any one surface, it is a value of capital R. So here with the help of one single pen, we set here the object and the image pen both come in the same side, up and down. So now we start our first observation. So now first we put a concave mirror in the specific stand, and that time we found the scale. So first we put concave mirror on the 0 position, and we put a one pen. So this is object pen. So first we want. Now we set here. So first you show in the mirror, you will not found any type of images or any type of pen. Okay, so now you show it is a straight pen, directly show. Now after this pen we moving up to whenever we found the one small image on the mirror of given pen. Now moving. So friends, again we check. Now you see here one image pin you found in the mirror. So it is an image from this given object pin. Now after we want here to set, like both the object and image pin come on the up or down, and we moving our face. Now we both pin going in the same side. So here we remove the parallax. Now from this pin you show here. How can you set? Now you show here. So with the help of this screw, now we set here object and image pin common straight line. Okay friends, so now we check, we moving our face, both the pin going with the same side. So that time we consider one scale. So now we want distance between the pin and the concave mirror. So it is a 0. Now we found here which value we found here. So we tick mark here. So we showing the value. So it is a value you consider. Like a 21.5. So we showing here so 20 and so 21, and the center scale 21.5. So now we check, suppose we using a round figure, so we consider 21. How can possible? So 20, and then after division is a 21. So R value, it is 21. The distance between the concave mirror and the plane. So we found the focal length f means R by 2, 21 by 2. So it is a value 10.5. So first value, so approximate focal length. We retain here, it is a very simple, like a 21.5. Sorry, it is a 10.5. So in the exam time, compulsory you retain the first value, you showing the value in the examiner in the exam time. How can you found the focal length and which value you found that. So that time you showing the object and image pin come on this straight line. Now next step, you want value like actual distance of the object from the mirror using a index needle. So it is possible. Now we set here the same position like object pin and the image pin on straight line. You found the focal length after using a one scale. Now this scale you put here like the surface of the mirror and the second surface on the pin. Okay friends, so it is a index needle distance. So now we check again. So it is our value. So now we check. Means upper side it is a 22. So now index needle we found the value here, it is a 22 centimeter. Now then after you increase a 0.5 more, so that time you found the value 22.5, means our value should become, it is a compulsory 0.5. Okay friends, so very easy method how to found the observations. So now we solve a table. So we want three values like a mirror, like object pin and the image pin. So first we put object on 0. Now we have a one pin. Now after we put a second pin again because we want two pin, object and image. So first we found the image of given pin. So this image we set here on given this specific pin, and that base we note down the readings in our record book. So first we found the image of given pin, first part like a focal length. Now the second, first you put this pin and that time you found the one image, and after you put a second pin. Now we set here. Now we set here. After set both the pin like this pin and this pin. So now after set we showing here. So it is a inverted pin to set like here. So you see here a very clear. Now you moving your face also. Like both the pin going in the same side, up and down. You should again check here. It is a your finger should become here. It is an image pin to set with here. Okay friends. So we want this type of set. So we note down the values. So first 0. Now marking here for the object pin and this pin again. So it is a center point. We mark here. So regarding this, we have it is a mirror position. It is an object pin. It is an image pin. Why say image pin center? Because we set this pin on image base on the inverted. So note down the points. So first image pin value. So that time you will consider 15, 16 and 17. So now the mirror position on 0, image pin position 17, and we want value of object pin. So that base we remove here. So we count here 30, 31, 32, 33 and 33.5. Again check 33.5. It is a scalable. So clear we see 33.5. So we written here it is a value 33.5. It is an object. Okay friends. Okay. So here we showing a videos. Now after videos again we showing a table. So now as per the practicals we showing a mirror position 0 because we directly put on 0 side, so no problem. After the we set object and image. Now both the pin come in the straight line. So that time we remove the parallax, and that base we found object pin distance 33.5 and the image pin is just 17. So we want a 3 value only. Now then after we showing a remaining table. So first one, observe U days. So definitely observe we here 33.5 is an object. But here is a minus because in the theory session in standard 10, all the value U and V come minus in regarding a concave mirror. And then after observe V, image, again 17 but minus. Now correction. Correction means now this value plus E. E is a 0.5. So definitely we got answer 34 and 17.5. And after a calculation solve, F is a focal length and the delta F. Now then after changing some position like a U and V slide. So that base we note down the values like second, third, fourth and fifth. So now the calculation. Now focal length F. So here after you go to 5 F values and the average of focal length like 11.91 minus. So focal length. So a very easy formula like F is equal to UV by U plus V. So first we solve. Now first we have value U. So minus 34 as per table and the V minus 17.5. Again within the same value, and after the calculation we found the value minus 11.55. Now then after you solve a second number as per table minus 33.5 and 18. So regarding that we found the value minus 11.70. Now third one 32.5 and the 18.5. So we got answer 11.78. Now fourth one like 32 and 19.5. So we got answer minus 12.11. And the fifth number minus 31.5 and the minus 20.5. So we got answer minus 12.41. So friends, here I give you all the calculation, but you verify first. Sometime some value should be changed. Minor correction also will become. Now error. So here the equation delta F is equal to F square in a bracket delta U by U square plus delta V by V square. So here we solve this equation with individually like a first to 5. Before that we want value F. So F is a focal length of a given individual like a first is so minus 11.55. So we put here minus 11.5. Now delta U and delta V, what is? It is a least count of meter scale. We using a meter scale like a centimeter. So definitely 0.1. In the last year we showing in the vernier calipers. So 0.1 it is a delta U and delta V values. After U and V. So from the first row, first line, you have a value of U and V. Definitely U is a 34 and V is a 17.5. You written here, and after solve this equation step by step, so your answer should become 0.05 is a delta F value. It's an error. So we found the error because every setup has some error. So here it is a very good because we have error in this practical only 0.05. So we maintain our value, our setup is coming up very easily. We set here very confident like object and image common straight line. So every calculation you show, the maintain the error only the 0.05. So that best I try my best and I give you a 99.5% of very good practical. Here only we found the error 0.05. Suppose you found the error 10, 20, 50. So it is a 50% practical is not done. But here only 0.05. Okay. So friends, here a very tough practical I represent here because it is impossible in my last 20 years career I shoot this practical myself with the help of one hand and one hand I set the practical. Okay, so you enjoy here, you understood very well and hope so each and everyone retain all the observations, observation table readings and the calculation because after starting the school I want your record book for checking purpose because you know very well school starting after Diwali and definitely the exam must become on February 1st and 2nd week. So that time it is your record book, it is your a whole ticket for the board exam. So no delay you work each and every time whenever I put my videos. So within 2 or 3 days you retain all everything because I given you a one PDF file. That PDF file all the aim like required materials, procedure, self-assessment I give you. So that base you retain, but observations and readings retain from my videos only. Okay. So next time we are coming with the new practicals. You enjoy, stay home, safe. Okay. Bye. Goodbye.